AI is now changing the game of web development. You can now create any kind of website by the help of AI without writing a single line of code. All you have to do is just to give prompts and explain AI what you want in your website, and AI will do it for you. You do not need to write any code or have any coding knowledge. All you need is just having a clarity of mind that what you need in your website, and AI will do it for you. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a stunning website which is responsive on mobile and all other devices without writing a single line of code, by just giving a few prompts to the AI, and it will not take more than 5 minutes. So let's start our video. In this video tutorial, we are going to make a website like this, which include multiple functionalities, having a home page with different sections, including links to blog pages, have product listed on home page, have newsletter, subscription section, blog page, shop page, and all other pages which you need on your website. We will make this website without writing a single line of code, without having any coding knowledge, by just giving a little prompt to our AI chatbot. For this, you must have hosting a AI builder subscription, and you can get it at a very reasonable cost, and let me show you how. For this, you have to visit BuildNEarn.com. You will get this page link in the video's description. Just scroll down and click on get 20% discount. It will take you to the official Hostinga page. Make sure you will see you are invited to Hostinga when you click on that link. By clicking on that affiliate link, you will get a flat 20% discount on your first purchase of anything, whether it's hosting or cloud VPS or whatever you want to purchase from here. Scroll down and you can see their plans. You can compare their plans, but let me show you that the discount is automatically added when you come to this website through that affiliate link. So in your cart page, you can see that 48 months period is automatically added, and referral discount, 20% of referral discount is automatically added, which is almost $37. You can see next to it, almost $37. And your subtotal is almost 146 instead of 829. If you want to purchase it only for 1 year, then you can still get a $12 discount, and your subtotal will be $48 an year. And if you plan to purchase it for 2 years, like 24 months, then you can still get a discount of $22 almost, and your subtotal will be almost $87. Now let's back to the home page and compare their plans, so you can purchase a hosting plan of your own desire. Scroll down and you can compare their plans, like their premium plan costs $22.99 per month. You can get a 3 month free. You can host 25 websites on this plan. You will get a 25 GB SSD storage, and you can create 2 mailboxes on each domain. In the same way, they have other plans like the business plan and cloud startup. Their business plan costs $3.79 per month. You will get a 3 month free extension of this plan. You can host 50 websites on it. You will get a 50 GB of NVMe storage, which is very fast, and get 5 mailboxes on each website or each domain for an year. Same for the cloud starter, which costs 7.99 per month. You can host 100 websites, get 100 GB of NVMe storage, and get 10 mailboxes with each domain or each website. You can choose any plan of your desire. If you want to stay budget friendly, then you can go with their premium plan. You will get hosting a AI builder with each and every plan of them. So let me assume that you want to purchase their cloud startup. Choose plan. On your cart page, you will get a flat 20% discount on every plan. You will get a almost $77 discount, and your subtotal will be $307 for 4 years. Apart from this 20% discount, you will get a 7-day free support from me. In case if you fail to set up your hosting a website, you can still contact me and ask me to make it for you, and I will make it for you. For this, you have to return back to the BuildNEarn website. Scroll down and you can also check my portfolio by clicking on Get My Services. Scroll down and you can compare their plans, like their hosting plans, their VPS plans, or business emails. Now scroll down and you will get this form. Here you have to mention your name, your email address. Make sure to enter that email address from where you sign up at Hostinger, and your phone number, and then enter your receipt which you will get after purchasing any Hostinger plan, and then submit this form. Alright, after purchasing a Hostinger package, go to websites, click on add website, and choose for hosting a website builder. Now wait for a while until it completes its setting up process. So this is the most important page of this entire process, where you can give name to your website, give description about it. Let me give the name of my website as BuildNEarn. Now briefly describe what you actually need in your website. You need an e-commerce functionality, you need a blog page or a home page with how many sections, with a specific section, or which kind of images. You can explain each and everything here. Use your imagination and let AI change the game for you. I will write a detailed description about what I need in my website. It already suggests me to add e-commerce functionality. Now if I click on create a website, it will start setting up the website for me. In the meantime, it started creating unique content for your website, adding unique images, and choosing the favorable color and font idea for your website. Now it is setting up the mobile view, so it's done. Now let's wait for the results. So here we have our website. So you can see it created a website which is not looking very good right now, but I think I have to take a complete look of our website. So if I scroll down, then you can see there are products section here, but these are not the products, actually these are blogs, and here these are the products. And if I scroll down, it's also added the newsletter subscription, join our community, and there are other pages like blog page, shop page, and also hosting page. Here it is the blog page, but that's not seems good. And we have shop page with dummy products, but I don't think so it's very attractive website. It's not so good, so I will have to create it again. So to recreate it, click on create again, write your description again with the missing links, and then click on create website. It will start creating a website again. So it has created our website, and now you see it seems good, I guess, as compared to the previous one. Yeah, it seems already very beautiful. And if I scroll down, there are products listed here. You can see our join our community page, then there is a blog page, and there are already dummy blog posts published here with clean design. Also there is a shop page. If I click on shop, there is a shop page with dummy products listed here. You can change it anytime. Also there is a hosting page. If I click on this, it is our hosting page, and it contains other elements like FAQ section, reliable hosting section, etc. Now check if it is responsive on mobile. If I go to mobile view, you can see it's already responsive on mobile, and it seems beautiful. You can see all the elements are aligned perfectly, and it seems great already. You can change theme as well. You can change color pattern. You can choose whichever color you want, but I think the default color seems good. Now to make changes in the website, click on continue, then close it, and you can see our website here is as editor mode. You can edit anything, you can make changes to whatever you want. Like if I want to change this text build and earn as it enter build and year, now I have added n in the end. In that way you can change anything, you can drag anything anywhere. Like if I drag this button anywhere on this side, I can easily do this by just dragging it here or there. In the same manner, I can also increase or decrease the size of this container. Likewise, you can make changes to anything here. Like if I increase or decrease the size of S here, and you can even change the images or whatever you want to do here. If you still find it difficult to use hosting a website builder, then do not worry, I will make a complete beginner guide on step by step how to create a complete responsive website on hosting a website builder. If you want to add more pages, you can add it from the pages section. If you want to add products, you can do it from store page. You can also find it over here. So after making changes in this website, if you want to publish this website, make sure to connect your domain name with it. You will get a free domain name if you purchase the hosting plan through my affiliate link. After adding your domain name, click on go live and your website will be live for all the users. So in this way you can create a stunning website using AI website builder. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so you can get notified of all the videos I upload in near future. Thank you.